Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the TECNO Spark 30C. Alright, so all we need to do is to open up our WhatsApp, but remember that you need to uninstall your WhatsApp to restore your chats, and it's not possible to do it in other way. Okay, so the app welcomes us in here. Select your language. Now in here you need to type your phone number, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Then simply click on next. Okay. Alright, once you have verified your phone number, you'll have something like that. Under the contacts and media, click on continue. In here click on allow all. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Make sure that you are currently logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. It's basically the account and the mail on which we made the backup earlier. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when we are showing the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. Okay, you can see that I made my backup 4 minutes ago. Below you can see its size and, just like I said, the account on which I made it. Also, if you want to restore the chats, in here is the only possibility to do it, because there is no other way to do it later. So if you want, you have to do it now. So click on restore. Now the process will launch. Okay, 69%, 99%, and as you can see, 17 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So now simply click on next. Under the profile info, simply type your name, and if you want, you can also add the profile photo by clicking on this green plus button. Then click on next. And now we are ready to use our WhatsApp, and now just take a look if everything is fine. As you can see, all of the messages from the 26th of March have been successfully restored, including the photos and the videos. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.